Let's imagine hypothetically that you have a friend, and this friend does shiatsu. And let's just say hypothetically, you've never gotten shiatsu from this friend. You're feeling kind of bad. And one day you think, I'm going to support my friend. I'm going to spend some money. And you go for a shiatsu session. And let's just imagine that's the most boring bodywork session you've ever had in your life, hypothetically. Hypothetically. And that it's so painfully slow that you're suffering the entire time. And you just think the whole thing is warming up and he's going to bust out the moves and you're going to really feel something. And then nothing happens. And what you thought was the preamble is the entire amble. I'm just making this up. I mean, I'm not trying to dump my past trauma on you of a thing that happened with a friend of mine that I regret to this day. But you know, I wish I'd known that in advance. Like the nature of my work is this. It's very slow. You barely feel it. That sounds like hell. No, thank you.